Good morning everyone. Today I want to share my experience of my garden. This is hibiscus. The color of this purple. You have seen that there are 5 petals. There are different types of hibiscus. So now this is rose. So we can see one small rose here. The rose is used to make rose water, and pulao, biryani, it is used in cooking also. Most of the roses are exported to other countries. This is one kind of also hibiscus. Okay, very beautiful. This is कुंदरू का फूल है जो सब्जियां बनती है. Vegetable, one kind of vegetable. And this is the seeds of dhatura, and this is the dhatura plant. It is used in medicine. So you can see the flowers, dhatura flowers. This is one kind of another hibiscus. There are many types of hibiscus. This is also one kind of hibiscus. This is marigold plant, and this is aloe vera in a pocket. This is one kind of hibiscus. You see the bird, and it is, see, different types of hibiscus. And this is marigold flower. In biological sense, it is inflorescence. In biological sense, it is called inflorescence. And sometimes there are more than one flowers in one axis. This is rose, very beautiful rose. And this is the plant of Chandramallika plant. So see the leaves. This is the tulsi. It is also a medicinal plant. See the flowers. There are 5 petals. It is also one kind of flowers. And this is the show plant, and it is globe plant. When flower comes, it looks like globe. It is also one kind of hibiscus plant. It is orange plant, and you see also one kind of hibiscus. This is lemon grass. People used to this to make tea, lemon grass. And this is jasmine plant. Now jasmine plant, this is the leaves. See the leaves of jasmine. Okay. This is tambul plant in supadi plant. This is white rose plant. White rose. You see, white rose plant. White rose. So this is the leaves. Students, you can see this part is called axis. This part is called axis, and this is the touching point of the leaves. One leaf the touching point is called, that is leaf base. Okay, leaf base, and leaf base, and this portion is called plate. Okay, this portion is whole portion is called plate. Whole portion is called plate, and this point is called this apex. This point is called apex. And the middle line, you see middle line, that is called mid ribs. Okay, mid ribs, mid ribs, and the side line is called side ribs. You can see better way in a back portion. Okay, back portion. So you can see the line in the middle, that is middle rib, and the side line is called side ribs, and this is called margin. The corner is called margin. This is called margin, and whole leaf is called plate. This whole leaf is called plate. Okay, this is the beautiful flower. Okay, and leaves of this flower is this. This is show plant, and this is morning glory. Beautiful. It looks like trumpet, the musical instrument. Morning glory, very beautiful. So many morning glory. And this is the rose. This is tulsi, you have seen. And this is also a show plant. The leaves of this plant are very beautiful, stripes. And this is cactus, one type of cactus plant. See the throne of this cactus, cactus plant. This is called Patthar Chatta. It is available in plenty of in Madhya Pradesh. There is a one garden of this Patthar Chatta in MP, Panchmadi, Madhya Pradesh, Panchmadi, India. It is medicine plant. This is aloe vera, and this is dahlia plant, and this is pomegranate, and this is show plant. This is rose plant. This is jhaw gach. This is one kind of hibiscus plant. Purple flowers, hibiscus can grow in this plant. This is show plant. This is also show plant. This is medicinal plant, Patthar Chatta. This is very useful. This is very useful plant. This is money plant. You see the leaf of money plant is very big. This is guava tree. You see the guava is growing. Now it is summer. You can see the bird of guava. Now we are coming to this tulsi tree, tulsi plant, sorry, and this is a plant. This is Ram Tulsi. This is very useful, Ram Tulsi. This is mango tree. You can see the mango. This is Poddo Fool plant. Poddo Fool plant, tree. Very white flowers and pink flowers may grow on this tree. This is one kind of hibiscus. You can see 5 petals are there. And you can see that betel nut, supadi ka ped. This is supadi tambul. In Assamese it is called tambul. Betel nut. This is rose, and this is green chilli plant. And you see the one very beautiful. This is Neelkant. This flower is called Neelkant flower in local language, but actually its name is Asian pigeon wings. This flower is called Asian pigeon wings. This is one kind of hibiscus. You can see 5 petals are there. And you can see that betel nut, supadi ka ped. This is supadi tambul. In Assamese it is called tambul. Betel nut. This is rose, and this is green chilli plant. And you see the one very beautiful. This is Neelkant. This flower is called Neelkant flower in local language, but actually its name is Asian pigeon wings. This flower is called Asian pigeon wings. This is lemon. In Assam it is found in plenty. This is very good lemon. You see how lemon is hanging in my garden. So this lemon is now small. After 2 or 3 days it may mature. This is chilli plant. Now we are coming to this Poddo Fool tree. Now you see the lemon, how lemon is hanging in my garden. Wow, beautiful. Nature is very beautiful. Wow, very good. Wow, 1, 2. Wow, nature is great. Very nice. Now it is going to be matured. It is we can use in lunch. This is now we can test. This is vitamin C lemon. Oh, so many lemon is there. See, come to this. Wow, lemon is very nice. Beautiful. Wow, see the lemon. Wow, good. In my garden it is growing. 2 years before I planted this lemon tree. 2 years before. Now see, oh, so many lemon is, wow, hanging, touching the ground. Oh, this is turmeric plant. This is medicine plant. Turmeric is used for medicine. God is great. Now we are coming to this in my garden. This is drumstick. It is very useful plant, tree. It is very useful tree. Drumstick. It is used in high pressure the person who are suffering from high blood pressure, they can use it as vegetable. Very nice drumstick. Now we are coming to this banana tree in my garden. This is the banana tree. Now in my garden, see how jackfruit is growing. Wow. Jackfruit, if it is ripe, we will enjoy this jackfruit. Oh, this is banana tree. Oh, very good. Now see how the banana tree is growing. Very soft, very soft. Oh, butterfly. You can see butterfly in my garden. Butterfly. This is the banana tree. The people worship this tree. It is very useful plant. Hindu used to worship in Satyanarayan Katha and Durga Puja. In all the festivals they use in South also. So this is my garden. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe and like this video for more updating and valuable information. Thank you. Very nice drumstick. Now we are coming to this banana tree in my garden. This is the banana tree. Now in my garden, see how jackfruit is growing. Wow. Jackfruit, if it is ripe, we will enjoy this jackfruit. Oh, this is banana tree. Oh, very good. Now see how the banana tree is growing. Very soft, very soft. Oh, butterfly. You can see butterfly in my garden. Butterfly. This is the banana tree. The people worship this tree. It is very useful plant. Hindu used to worship in Satyanarayan Katha and Durga Puja. In all the festivals they use in South also. So this is my garden. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe and like this video for more updating and valuable information. Thank you.